dinner. Looks pretty good. Flask. Can't go anywhere without that. Here's the view. Can't go too far wrong with this. It's a rough way to spend a Thursday night. Some people bass fishing way down there. Yep, got my radio, my pack, empty beer can, and my Kelty Mesa fairly light tent, but yep, here we are. Pretty happy with this. And some storm clouds are brewing. Not sure what's gonna happen there, but whatever. I got gear for all the weather, so we're good. So here I am again with my fire and just chilling out on the riverside. Quite the view. Pretty happy with this. Tent back there. Backpack a little bit. Some supper. Made way too much. Need the girlfriend here to help me eat this, but this is a solo trip. Seriously, no. Got my 2 radios. Got my UV3R picking up local police, and then it switches over to radio. I have the little under $10 KD shortwave AM/FM radio that things were crazy loud. I have that for some shortwave listening later tonight. Just basically chilling out. I did discover that for backpacking, a flask with some brandy in it, obviously always good. But when you take those flavored drink crystals and mix those with some water and add the brandy to it, they're pretty damn good. Kind of like a fruity kick in the butt drink. Anyway, just chilling out. Looks like clouds are rolling in and rolling out. We're supposed to be some thunderstorms roll through, but I'm not too concerned. I have wet weather gear and not exactly on high ground here, but I'm in an area where the water doesn't seem to flow over. The vegetation's good. Just sitting on the bedrock. Unless we get a torrential downpour, I'm not too concerned, in which case I can get up and move. Anyway, thought I'd share my latest outing.